Oh, the other one's back there.
Oh yeah, I see him. Morning everyone. We are at the halfway point now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Aren't we? Yeah. Can't believe 3 weeks has gone. Got another 3 weeks to go. So what we've been doing this morning is our usual little duties. Go check on the chickens, 2 groups of cows. We're going to open up another paddock for them, so then they've got all this fresh grass. Are they in here? Yes, there they are. Right. I'll take 3. Oh, just in case. I can't even get them now. There we go, we'll take 3. Hold on. Got it. I've lost my train of thought. Right, so we've had a lot of rain, a lot of sunshine. The grass has grown, so 2 groups are going to get another paddock. So we're going to go open that up, call the cows over. Team's waiting here. You ready, buddy? Come on, Ted. So let's go and feed some cows, I guess. Give them some more room. We'll have a little walk around. Oh, it's bright today. The fog is very weird today as well. It was so misty you could hardly see anything. Then it cleared, then it came back. And now it's gorgeous. The sun shines. Come on! Come on! Come on! See if they follow. The last group needed a little bit of a nudge. Come on! Here we go! Here they are, they're following. So they've got this massive paddock. They've had this one for 3 weeks. And there's 6 of them, including the bull. And James is just walking over to this little gate. And we're going to open it up. And then the group at the front, which I don't know if you can see on camera, they're going to get another paddock as well. Hey Ted, come on, come on, let's go. Here they come. Here buddies. Oh yeah, you're hungry. Oh, the other group's come running over. Come on boys, no girls, forgot your girls. I brought 3 just in case.
Alright.
Come on! There's one girl, another girl. The 2 black and whites. And then the brown and white. Come on! Here boy! The bull is got a job to do while he's here. Come on, in you come! Oh, don't be scared. Come on! Here we go, in your new paddock. Go on. See, you love it. Oh, look at them. Happy, happy. Let's go see these. Are these all girls or are they mixture? I can't remember. Where's the gate? Oh, we've got to go up. Okay. Right, let's go move to the next bunch. These guys seem happy. I think they got excited because we let them guys into the paddock over there. So they came running over, hoping that they'd get to go over there. When in fact, we're going to go open a paddock over here. Come on, you lot! I might have to go over there and get them. Let's see if I can attract them down here. Over the little bridge. Got the duck pond. Right, so James is going to open that gate. He's just over there. Come on! Yoo-hoo! Let's go! We're not going over there, it's going over here. It was cold. I'm now hot. Did you see that? Took a bit of time. Okay, there they are. So all paddocks have been opened that needed to be opened for the extra bit of grass. They're all very happy, but we need to go check on the ones at the back, make sure they're okay. And just going to give some chickens some bread. So we'll pop in here, give them a bit of bread. You coming, Ted? Ted's good. He doesn't chase any of the animals. He's not like a farm dog. Ooh. There we go.
Third one. It is. Yeah, I think that one.
Is that the chunky?
Yeah, and that's the one.
The eggs.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. You alright, Ted? Have they knocked it?
Knocked what?
The water.
Oh, they finished it.
Lucy! Go! Goatee! Oh, shimmy out. Come on, Ted. James is still going to come out. Leave the bread there. Here's a Lucy and goat. Can't remember if I've showed them on camera yet, but are you chilling in the shade? Are you just chilling? There you are. I'm not going to make you move now. Oh, what's wrong with the camera? Oh no, it's still going. Here we are. Oh, James has gone to check the eggs, just in case any more. And there you go. There's a bit about what we're doing. So, Kiwi House Sitters, you can get all sorts of positions. So, like, we've got 2 more coming up after here, up near Auckland. One of them's about 2 weeks and one of them's about a week, but that's literally just, they're a dog each. So that's all we have to do. He's been just a little bit more involved, but it's actually been quite nice because it's just a nice change of scenery. We're cut off. We're still in a town. Hi, goat. You come in and say hi. I have nothing for you. You good boy. Oh, you let me touch you. You don't normally. Kiwi House Sitters are on Instagram. They're on Google. How much did we pay for our membership? Is it like $80 or $90 for the year?
No, I went 90.
I feel like it, okay, maybe it was in the 80s.
I was thinking like 70 odd or something.
Somewhere around that park. You have to pay for the year. I don't actually know what it's for, but it's just a fee that you have to pay, and you can browse people's like profiles, like their listings. They can also browse your profile if you put on what months you're available for. So they could reach out to you and think that you're a good fit. But we messaged, we knew we wanted a couple months of house sitting, so we messaged quite a few. We got a few no's, but these guys snapped us up straight away. They were getting a bit desperate because it was only a couple of months before obviously we were due to come, so they were worrying because obviously it's 6 weeks. Who's going to be available for 6 weeks? We are. They don't pay you and we don't pay for accommodation. It's all kind of like free. So it means it's great for us for travelling. We can go off and explore, which we have been a little bit lazy. We've not really done a lot of exploring. I think we've just been really burnt out with work, which I've probably mentioned before. So I think we just wanted to just take a breath, take a beat. Ted, what are you rolling in? But now I've got 3 weeks left. We're starting to feel detoxed, and I think we're gonna go out and do some adventures now. Ted can come with us as well. like on some walks and things. So yeah, we'll enjoy the next 3 weeks. Oh look, Sinner's hiding. I don't know if you can see this little black cat in the corner. Ted chases her and eats her food. He's naughty. We've got a little guest in the car with us today. We're going out to Lookout Point. What's it called?
Mount Dick.
Mount Dick Lookout Point, and we're taking Ted with us. We've picked a very grey, drizzly day to go for a walk. But anyway, we're coming out and we're going to go for a little wander. You excited, boy? Yeah. I know. Just following like this trail up. It would have been quite a walk if we did it from the bottom, I think. So I think it's best that we're doing it in the car. Nearly at the top, I think, hopefully. Don't know. But it's really like green and forestry. Okay, we're at the top of Mount Dick Lookout and this is our view. We're trying to find where we live. But that's the town of Castlepoint down there. Further down is Masterton somewhere, and then down that way is Greytown somewhere. Yeah, you might need another bath. Go for a little walk. Haven't been on a... oh Jesus, I'm going to fall over now. Haven't been on a little walk in a few weeks. So I think we just follow this up to the top bit. It's only a couple minutes, I think. Follow these guys. Wrap round. Oh, it's a bit snug. Are you having fun? I'm coming! Come on then. Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh, this is cute. Are you excited?
You happy?
Mount Dick Lookout. You can see... oh, I can't breathe. What's up, buddy? So it says on a fine day you can see the towns. Masterton, Castlepoint, Greytown, Feathertown. Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
It must be Greytown there, because it said it's only 9 kilometres and Castlepoint's only 7. So that's got to be Greytown.
Oh, so Greytown's here, Feathertown's down there. Castlepoint is over. Yeah, but we were looking at Castlepoint just over here.
Yeah.
Is that another car?
Yeah, oh, coming up.
And you can like, what, look through the hole?
It doesn't really show anything.
No, it's not very good on there. It's a bit hard, it's tiny. Very nice. Is that fun? We went for a little walk. Oh, he's laying down there. Ted's got like flowers or greenery all in his beard, so we're going to give him a nice bath when we get back. He's like dirty little car. That was a cute little walk, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think there's loads more that you can walk around, but the weather's just not it today. Hello again. Look at your face. No, don't touch. Ooh, you're all mucky. You're such a mucky pup. Yeah, boy. Oh, this window keeps foggy. I don't know what we were saying, but anyway, we'll see you later. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah! We've come for a little hike. I think this one's called Donnellys Flat Loop. Try and read the board. Ted! Come here, boy. There's a few walks you can do here.
There's a lot of huts everywhere.
Where are we? Oh wow. Oh yeah, I could see that on the map.
Don't know where we are.
We're here.
Oh.
Holdsworth Lodge. The loop is somewhere here. I
The
think.
loop is just like this bit.
Oh,
I'm pretty
okay.
sure. Because you can do like a bigger loop or
Yeah.
wherever to the huts.
I know, we're gonna go, don't worry. We're going. Come on then. Come on then. You wanna go for walkies? Does it say anything about dogs? Like, I think it said somewhere online that it's pet friendly.
yeah.
We'll
Just keep dogs under control.
Yeah.
That's all.
Oh yeah. Oh, Ted, come here. You've got to be put on a lead until you're beyond the bridge. Come here, boy. I see why. That's why dogs need to be kept on a leash. This is cute.
Yeah. Okay, Ted, calm down. Ted, calm down.
He's so excited. I'm here, buddy.
Come on.
I'm here. Was that cold?
Yeah.
You want a little drink? There's a cute little bridge. My shoes have holes in, I'm not walking through it. Come, buddy.
Some new boots.
Yeah, new boots. So we're going to do Donnellys flat, I think. Just something easy with the teddy boy. Why are you laughing? I know. He reminds me of Astro and how Astro was with my mum, glued to her side. Oh. It's a creepy little forest. Go for a little walk. Glad we wore our boots actually because it's quite mucky. Oh, so pretty, look at all these trees. You crazy boy. Come on, look, you can go this way. You can go that way. Hello from Greytown. We have just popped into the town next over just to have a mooch. We're sitting in a really cute, like, fun well, it's a bit more than a cafe. It's like gelato, a diner. We're just gonna get a little bite to eat. And just before we came in here, James got some exciting news, didn't you, James?
I got my visa.
He got his visa approval and he was like, check your email, and I didn't get one yet, so I was like, oh, it'll come through, but I'm not stressing. Sat down in here. What time did yours come through, did you say?
Just after 1 o'clock.
And then at 2:45 I got my email because it's now 3 o'clock. So we've both been accepted for approvals.
So we're allowed to stay.
We're allowed to stay, which is good because we just signed contracts to start working again in September for another 7 months or whatever. So we needed this to come through. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Good.
So the town we're in is Greytown. It's a cute little town. It's very like, it's very well preserved. Like it's really like vintagey. We just went to the bookshop because I can't even get words out. It was they had the postcards for the towns here, so I really wanted to get one. And then we've just come into here. Oh, look at this. Oh, thank you. Lovely, thanks. Oh, wow. These are huge. Oh, yum. Oh, careful your sauce.
It's okay.
So we've got cauliflower and buffalo. And this is where we are. Mines. Is that Mines? Mines? Yeah. Okay, let's eat this. Oh my god, this looks so good. It smells spicy. Ooh, I can smell that. Morning, Mr. Ted. You good boy. Well, we've made it to Castlepoint. It's a little breezy, but it's currently dry. Mr. Ted is very excited. And there's the lighthouse up there. So we're gonna walk over to it. There's a nice little walk. And it's so nice and quiet. We're on the east coast? Yeah, we're on the east coast of the North Island now. I know that you're supposed to keep dogs on a lead on the walk, but seeing as there's nobody here, oh my god, he's so excited! Right, look at you! Look at you!
Wait. Be free.
Oh, are you excited, Teddy boy? Oh, you're so cute. We are the only ones. There is another lady with some dogs up there, so we'll just be careful. Ted! Are we at the seaside? Oh! Come on, buddy. Oh, he's a happy boy. It's really cute. Like, look at all these little like holiday rental thingies. We are literally the only ones on the beach. What are you doing? Let's go, let's go. Come on. Where did he go? What are you doing? You're so excited. Oh, baby. Oh, he's very happy. You happy boy? Come on then. Oh, look at Ted running about. He's loving life. Done his little poo. And then there's like all these nice rock formations, some boats. You can drive on this area, but you can't drive down the beach. Oh, he's gone. Is that a seal? James. Ted?
Ted, come here.
Ted! Oh, little walk up a hill. Water below us. Look how nice that little cove looks.
Yeah.
That little private beach, almost. Oh, I'm out of breath. So dogs need to be on a lead up this bit. So put him on a lead. Wow. We've made it to the base of the lighthouse and it's automatic. They stopped having a lighthouse keeper in '88. It's been here since 1913. Over 100 years old. It's so cool. Huh, Ted? Little rainbow in the distance. You can't go too far, buddy. Oh, we'll walk up there. We made it to the top, buddy. Here we are. Oh, lighthouse. So yeah, there's water on that side as well. Looks like those people down there getting ready for something, or I'm not sure. Oh no, I think that's that log we walked past. beautiful. Gorgeous. Practically had it to ourselves. Dipped my toes in the east coast. It's a bit fresh. Ted won't dunk his toes in. I'm not sure if he likes the water or not, but he loves the sand. Absolutely loving it. It's beautiful. So yeah, Castlepoint was worth the hour-and-a-half drive. We did stop at Donnellys, had a little treat on the way, so we'll drive back now and just enjoy the rest of the day. Less than a week, or no, a week today we leave. A week yesterday Ted's owners come back, and then we'll have a night with them and then we'll leave. So I hope they've been enjoying their holiday in Europe. They've been on quite an adventure, and yeah, our first house sitting experiencing with Kiwi House Sitters has been amazing. It's been so good. Good morning, you two. He's a good boy. Yeah, Mr. Ted. Your parents are coming home today. Hey, Gus. Time to say goodbye. The owners are sleeping. James has to have a shower still.
Yeah.
But Ted's here. He slept with us again last night. He wouldn't go to the owners. It felt a little bit guilty. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, buddy, you gotta stay. He slept like in between us most of the night, and then he jumped to this side of me. The cat was on top of me as well. Oh. Oh, buddy. Don't be sad. I'll visit you in a month. Yeah. Oh, pretty scratch. Oh, is it like 7:30?
Just go.
Today we're heading to New Plymouth.
Yeah.
Taranaki area. So got a long drive, about 4.5 hours, I think. Yeah. I'm shattered.
Cool.
Bye, Ted.
Bye.
Bye, sweetie.
Bye.
Bye. Well, we have left the house. We've left Ted. He's so funny. He wouldn't get out of the car. We had a really good experience. That was our first Kiwi House Sitters, which I think I've mentioned before, and it was so good, wasn't it? It was just what we needed.
Yeah.
Somewhere to stay. Had some really cute animals to look after. We got on really well with Ted. I can't believe that he was barking at the parents last night. He wouldn't go near them for a few moments.
Definitely worthwhile doing.
Yeah, it's so, if you're like travelling about, like, it's so worthwhile. Like, we're now got 2 nights just exploring. We're going up to Taranaki today, like around there. So we're gonna just road trip over there, and then we've got another house sit for just under 2 weeks, and then we've got another one after that. So it's a great way for us to save on accommodation, and we get a furry friend and a house to stay in.
Yeah.
So it's really good. I think it's worth we're coming back in a month before we get our ferry over. So like we've made friends, and they're going to come up and see us when we're back at work. Next year they're going to come and visit. So it's really, I think it's really cool.
It really is.
Great way to meet people and like save on travels too. Thanks for watching this little video of our house sit, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.